Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School was founded in 1965 by His Grace Archbishop John Kwadwo Amisa in the hills of Fijai, Takoradi. What began as St. Louis Secondary School was later renamed in honor of Catholic missionary legacy and has grown into one of Ghana's finest girls' schools, shaping generations of ladies of integrity. The true heart of APGSS is revealed in its crest. At the center stands the shield, a symbol of protection, strength, and enduring heritage. Prominently featured are the 3 fleurs-de-lis. In Catholic tradition, they represent purity, virginity, and the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary, a powerful reminder of moral integrity and the virtuous young women the school nurtures. Dividing the shield is the chevron, a band of support and elevation. Resting upon it are the 3 bells, the famous Porter bells that gave the school its beloved nickname. These bells call every student to prayer, discipline, learning, and spiritual awakening, inviting them to rise in mind, body, and spirit. Beneath it all flows the Latin motto, Puritas mentis et corporis, which translates purity of mind and body, the very heartbeat of everything Porter Girls stands for. So when you see the APGSS crest, you don't just see a symbol, you see a sacred promise that every girl who walks through these gates will emerge intellectually sharp, morally upright, spiritually awakened, and forever proudly Porterian.
Like, comment and share if you're proud of your school.